Welcome to Beat in a Bowl!
Today we're going to be making salsa, so grab these ingredients. So to start off, we're going to be cutting our tomatoes into fourths and then coring them. This helps reduce the liquid in the salsa for a better consistency.
We are now going to be using our white onion. This recipe only calls for half an onion, so you can save the other half for another time. Cut the onion into smaller pieces. We opted to practice our knife skills and went with strips, but it's not necessary. Next, add cilantro according to taste. We went with a 1/4 cup. Continue by juicing 1 lime and adding it to the food processor.
After our lime juice, we're going to be adding an optional ingredient. This is our pepper. We opted to go with a jalapeno, but you can choose any pepper that you wish to add depending upon your spice level. Here we took out the seeds and membrane of the pepper. This helps bring down the spice level of the entire salsa. After that's all added, you're going to process on high for a couple minutes. Make sure not to go too crazy. We still want to have some texture to the salsa.
Once your initial processing is done, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of cumin depending on your taste. Also, add 1 to 2 cloves of minced garlic. Pulse a couple times to allow the spices to be combined with the salsa.
After your garlic is well mixed, add your salt and pepper for taste.
Pulse your salsa until the salt and pepper are well combined.
Serve with chips for your friends and family, or if you're hungry for yourself, go ahead and grab you some chips and eat that stuff.
Want more videos? Be sure to like this video and subscribe to Beat in a Bowl.